Hey, what's up guys? My name is Nico and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the best pasta aglio e olio you've ever eaten. What I love most about pasta aglio e olio is how simple it is. You just need 3 basic ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, garlic and parsley. Optionally, you can add some chilies if you want. I really like them, so I'm gonna use them. First thing we need to do is to prep our ingredients. To start, cut half of your garlic into very thin slices. You need about 2 big cloves of garlic per person or just a bunch of smaller ones. Once that's done, take out your garlic crusher and crush the other half. I really like doing this because I think the crushed garlic flavors the oil really nicely and the sliced garlic enhances the texture of the dish. Next, you want to finely slice the chilies and the parsley stalks as well. Once everything's cut up, bring some water to the boil. Add 1 or 2 generous pinches of salt. Your water should be sea salty. Put your spaghetti into the pot and try to fully submerge them in the water. Boil your pasta until it's nearly al dente and don't forget to stir it occasionally so it doesn't stick. Now place a pan on medium-low heat and add some extra virgin olive oil. Then add in your garlic and chili and slightly toast this for 2 to 3 minutes. In case you're wondering, I really like to use a wok for cooking pasta sauce because it's so easy to bring together the noodles and the sauce in a big wok like this. Now add in some more olive oil in case you need some more and keep stirring it around. You really just want to slightly toast the garlic and the chili. If you see that your garlic is starting to brown, just turn down the heat even more. After 2 to 3 minutes you want to add in your parsley stalks. I added even more olive oil because I think I just added too little in the first place. It really surprised me, but by adding the extra virgin olive oil in batches, you really preserve this beautiful olive oil flavor. Drain your pasta about a minute before it's al dente, immediately drop it into the pan and add the remaining pasta water. Give it a quick stir and then add your parsley leaves. And if the wooden spatula isn't working too well, just take some tongs like I did. Finally, add some salt if needed and some freshly ground black pepper. Give it another quick stir and your pasta is ready to be plated. Now sprinkle over some Parmesan or Pecorino cheese and your pasta is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.